Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial. In this video we will learn to write reviews about any company. Guys, if you worked in any company and you want to write a review about that, so how will you do? You don't need to confuse about. Simply you have to go on company reviews, search for a company there you've worked. For example, if I go with this KFC company, which is very well-known company for food. So here in this company's profile you will see write a review button. You have to click on it, and now you have to mark up all these points that you experienced here in this. So I am selecting any of them. You have to select your right one because I didn't experience this company, so I will select random and you have to select your right one. So just scroll down and select the correct suggestions or points. Here you have to rate this company. I've rate this company overall rating, like I am going to rate 5 star over here. And here you have to write your review summary. I am writing for fun, and here I will write my review. Then we will go down, and here you have to define what was the title of your job there in company where you worked. So I've defined my job title, and now I have to write the location over here. And here you have to select your year of work, start and end date. I'm done with all these formalities, and now I am going to finish it. So guys, as you can see, my review has been done and I've finished it. And this can be take several days for post on the timeline. So guys, this is how to write a review on any company's profile. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.